everyone, welcome to D Art. Today we are going to see about Kalamkari painting and much more. Let's begin with the history of Kalamkari painting. Kalamkari is a very ancient style of painting which is done on cotton fabrics and silk fabrics. Kalam means pen and Kari means craftsmanship. This art is mainly practiced in Andhra Pradesh. In ancient days, these paintings were used to narrate stories by the singers and painters. There are two types of Kalamkari, Sri Kalahasti style and Machilipatnam style. In Sri Kalahasti style, the designs are inspired from Hindu mythology, and in Machilipatnam style, the designs are printed with the hand-carved blocks. Each piece of Kalamkari fabric goes through 23 tedious steps until it's finally done. It is our duty to protect and encourage such an amazing art form and the craftsmanship behind this art. Let's start preparing the board. Originally it is just done on the fabric, but for the purpose of hanging and to get that original fabric effect, we are going to prepare a board with a cotton cloth and paint on top of it. So for preparing the board, you need a plywood, cotton cloth and a fevicol. Find the top part of the plywood. You will find it with the help of the grains. The grains will be rough on the back side and smooth on the top side. On top side, we are going to stick the cotton cloth, cotton white cloth. It can be old cloth also. So for that, you have to mix glue and water. 1 part of glue into 7 part of water. It depends. The consistency should be like a milk. You just mix very nicely. The cloth should be cut 2 inches longer than the board from all sides, which will help in sticking. The cloth should be dipped into the water glue mixture and stuck onto the front side of the board. When you're sticking, try to avoid bubbles, and if there is any dust particles, please remove it before sticking. After the cloth is fully dried, you can either trace the design or you can draw your design using a pencil. For tracing, I prefer using yellow carbon. There are 3 factors that your strokes depend on. First one is the consistency of your paint. Second one is the bristle of the brush. And the third one is the pressure you apply onto your brush. Traditionally, natural colors were used for this, but now we are using acrylic colors, and to get that authentic look of a kalamkari, I am mixing black and brown to each color to make the colors little bit dull. I always mix enough color in advance and store it in order to avoid difference in shades. Leave some places as it is without colors to get an authentic look of kalamkari work. Hope you enjoyed. See you soon in the next video. Bye.